Now there's a few things that you should know about your phone. For example, if you slide down like so, you're gonna see your notifications. However, we can slide up. But if you do the exact same thing from the center of your phone downwards, you're gonna see this, search. From here, you guys can search anything you would like. So just type in anything and it's gonna find something related to it. I'm just gonna erase a little bit. You guys can see that's looking through Safari and even dictionary. So it's gonna find anything, including apps. To get out from there, we can just swipe up. Now another gesture that you have to know is from this side. So the top right hand corner, just slide your finger downwards, you're gonna see this. This is really important because right now we can turn on our airplane mode. We can turn it off as well. It's gonna put okay there. I can turn off my Wi-Fi, or I can turn it back on. Same thing goes with my Bluetooth. I can turn it back on. We can do that from settings as well. However, this is the quickest way to do it. Same goes with adjusting your brightness, your volume, and we have a flashlight to turn on, plus our calculator, and we have quick access to our camera. We can also set it up like so we can turn that on so our phone doesn't bug us if we're in a meeting or something. You don't want to get those notifications. That's what you need to turn on. To turn it off, just press it again, slide up, and you're done. Again, almost everything I showed you can be done from within your settings. Another very important gesture in order to close apps fully that we have to learn is going like this. So if you just go up with your finger, again, I'm gonna do that. Go slowly up until you see all this. So right now I can view all my apps right here on my phone and I can fully close them or open them up. So if I wanted to open one up, I can select this one and open it up. I can just minimize it, or I can go slowly again until they pop up and I can scroll through all my apps. So that's how you guys can scroll through all the apps that are open at this point in time. And to fully close them, what we have to do to close an app is just go like so. Swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up. They're all closed. So if at this point, if I go like this, I'm not gonna see anything because nothing's open. So that's another tip. It's very important to close your apps if you don't want your phone to use that much power. So that's gonna save your battery plus some data. So once again, it doesn't matter which phone you guys have. It's gonna be the exact same tutorial for any one of these. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.